that's what they call me.
Alright, hit record?
Yes.
Man, with the that's out here acting a fool. It's your boy T. Oh yeah, werewolf. Yeah, I'm just playing. No, werewolf gang, man. Shout out to the werewolf gang. Here for me, man. For always watching my videos, support me, man. And for those who have not subscribed to your boy T-Lite, come on, man, quit playing with yourself. You keep watching my videos and you keep not hitting that button. Hit that subscribe button. We welcome you. We want you to be part of our pack, man. Today we're gonna be doing a front splitter add-on for the 5.0 GT from GTD's 5.0. We're gonna do it. This came from Ikon Motorsports. It's an add-on. It's not really a splitter, but it's just an add-on to the splitter. And we're gonna end up doing that. I want to look cool, so I'm gonna lean on it like this. We're gonna end up doing it like that. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna end up doing it. And I'm gonna unbox it. I ain't even gonna waste my time doing no unboxing videos because I'm gnats out here.
Okay.
These gnats out here acting a fool, and I ain't got time for all that. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, we're gonna go ahead and unbox this bad boy. It came from Ikon Motorsports. What is it?
Yeah, Ikon Motorsports.
What
120.
120?
Yep.
Ikon Motorsports 120. 120 danky. This came from the good old Dollar General.
It took like 5 days to arrive.
It took 5 days to arrive. As GTD said, this is GTD's front lip splitter add-on, not mine. So for those who think this Mustang is mine, it is not mine. So, no. But have I been in Mexico doing my thing in it? Come on now. Of course. Of course I have. Who do you think I've written?
You always pick the nattiest days to do a video.
Man, I'm out here when the gnats it must be from the looks of things, it must be gnat mating season. Gnats out there. The gnats out there. Yeah, the gnats out there get a freaky diggy. It's gnat mating season. Let's go ahead and pull it on out. Dang, I thought it was gonna be more than this. Ain't nothing but this in the box.
It's just the add-on to the one that comes with the car.
They give you all this box for just this.
They want to make sure it's secure, baby. They don't want no returns.
They don't want no returns.
None of that. Look, at least there's some holes in there.
Right, at least there's some holes in there.
So some of that stuff they put holes in there already.
Oh, so already holes in here?
Yep.
Come on, Ikon Motorsports. I damn near killed myself trying to put mine on. You mean to tell? Oh, it's because it's a Ford. That's why. Yeah, we got to make sure Ford, because Ford ain't going for that. So they put this add-on holes. That's tight. Did they give you some screws though? Oh shit!
I don't even know.
Smack the shit out of my.
There better be some screws in there.
Smack the shit out of my screw, dude. This is what it looked like. Self-explanatory. For those who would know, this is the part that hooks to the other splitter. It doesn't go like this. It ain't supposed to be sitting like this. Oh, that's crazy. It's supposed to sit like that. You just put it right in there. Self-explanatory, baby. We're gonna put that down right there by my guy Ice Easy. Now, there better be some screws in here.
Ain't no screws in there?
And probably you gotta take the things out the bottom of your splitter and put them on there. Hold on, let me get in here and see. No, ain't no screws in there.
How they know? That's crazy.
Nope. Ikon Motorsports has done it again. The cheapest mufflers out there. Come on, Ikon, man. You always make somebody go above and beyond just to put your shit on. That's crazy. Let's see what they got over here. Let's see if you gotta take the screws out of here. I'll put that right here because I don't want to mess it up. I already jacked the car up for y'all that don't know. The car does not come with automatic jack. Okay, what it is, I see what it is. You connect it to this, but the screws is already in there, so you take the screws off of the Mustang and you just connect it.
Oh, for real?
Yeah. That's the vibe I'm getting.
Okay. Hey!
Yeah, that's what you do. Let me go ahead and unscrew those. I'm gonna go ahead and unscrew those real quick. First, I gotta even see if I got the thing for it. And I'm gonna get back to y'all in a second. GT. See if those screws fit inside of there. But these little black things cover the little holes in your splitter.
Okay.
You might have to put it in water.
This one, huh? Where's it go? Yeah, it don't go through. You don't need a washer. It don't go. It doesn't go all the way through.
Okay, I can make sure you don't want to lose the shit.
Yeah. Like this, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Cause you know I don't love nothing, baby.
I was going right here in my face. Yeah, a little bit.
What's the other way?
It's the other way. Turn it around. Flip it upside down. Yep. Now give her that side. It goes on like that. Come on now, son.
That don't make no sense.
Yeah, it does. It goes on just like this.
Oh, okay.
Let's say for the fun of it, let's try it your way. Just for the fun of it.
Look at it. Just for the fun of it. Let's try it that way.
Let her do what she do.
Hey.
Just for the fun of it.
You record this?
Yeah. For the fun. So you want to put it on like that, bro? You want to put, hey, T-Lite, you want to put it on like that? Or you want to put it on the way me and GTD said?
That motherfucker's gonna have so much water in it.
Man, he was gonna try to play me.
And you, chill.
There's gonna be a mosquito nest in there.
And he gets mad when I question him.
Yeah, you better calm your nerves. You better calm
Prime
your
example
nerves.
why.
You better calm your nerves, Rosemary.
Okay.
Here you go. You want some of that mat? You want the mat to lay on?
No, I don't need my damn mat.
Matter of fact, you just hold down, screw this one in, and come on and hip you out.
Now that is on the good, like
On the
that.
good.
Hold on, where'd it go?
What the? You need me to
In
come
some
hold-
more.
You want me to come hold that side? Or what?
In a little more. Like that. You gotta,
Hold on, somebody right now.
that's how it goes.
That's how it goes?
You gotta line up like that.
Yeah.
It goes just like that.
Something ain't right then.
What you mean something ain't right?
You ain't going with these holes. Lining up with these holes.
All right, now push it in. Let's see if you line up the holes. Let's see what it looks like.
What you mean?
Line up the holes. You said it ain't lining up with the holes.
There ain't no way you gonna line it up with the holes is what I'm saying. See? You
Well,
gonna end up having to drill your own
You got
holes.
to drill your own holes. If that's how
Well, bro,
Come on.
Bro, you the one who
it goes. That's
said
how we thought it anyway.
Put these, I gotta put these back on there.
Oh, Lord.
Ikon Motorsports is on some straight. Hey,
So you didn't have to take those ones out?
no, you didn't. But
Oh, okay.
the way you would think it would, you would have to take those
Oh,
out.
okay.
They would line up. Don't say, oh, okay. Don't try to do me.
Oh, well, it's gonna be a quick and easy install.
Hell no, it ain't. Where the screws at?
Here.
Come on, Ikon. You always on that dumb shit.
Well, at least they.
At least
so
they
you gotta
what?
do all those.
You gotta do all these
All
screws
them
yourself.
How
Yeah.
many is? Yeah. Damn.
Now I gotta go find some screws to fit in there so it won't come out. Come on, Ikon. And what's the problem with it is they don't give you no like washers.
Nice. Say what's up to the people. Say what's up to the people.
Some straight bullshit. I think I got some washers.
All right. We'll be back.
We just got through from going to Lowe's. I was gonna give y'all a video of that, but I didn't think that would be interesting enough. Dusakis, the drink. I'm just like, no, I didn't think y'all would want to see that anyway. But yeah, we went and got these screws from Lowe's. Hey, why did? Come on, Lowe's. Ain't nobody gonna steal these little screws, and even if they do, you can
And we took a
afford
pit
it.
stop.
And we went to Dunkin' Donuts.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see. Yeah, these good, sis. These good.
Okay.
They wouldn't be good for these, but they be good right here. These little ones.
We'll use the big ones in the big holes and the little ones in the little holes then.
So let's get these open. And I'm gonna get back to y'all in a second. You dig?
Hell yeah, it's on good. It's already looking
Real
good.
fucking good. Now my shit looking official.
Stop.
It's looking official now. This shit look good already.
My porn video.
Wow.
Let's just cut that part out.
He nasty, girl. dumbness,
No,
man.
you get that armor on.
Oh yeah.
She tripping.
You really tripping. Okay, lady, I'm sorry.
Keep on doing that? Right here. Mine's the side of those. Those are good ones. These right here. These are more like, you don't like that one.
So we got those screws from Lowe's. How much was it? $1 a piece?
Yep. Smackaroni a piece.
Didn't come with any screws. So splitter looks good, but it don't come with any screws. So we went to Lowe's in the automotive drawer and got the screws with the washers, you know, already attached. That way the screws don't fall through the holes. It looks like this. It's $1 a piece.
Ah!
We got some long ones and then a few short ones.
Okay. Sure did. I paid $3 a piece.
That was $1 a piece.
I forgot you was right there. I didn't pay anything. I didn't pay not a goddamn dime. We got this mat that I'm laying down. We got this from Walmart.
No, we did not. We got it from Five Below for $5.
Oh, I thought it was from Walmart.
And those are our workout mats.
turned into-
Yeah, you turned it to a dusty car mat.
Yeah.
You're welcome.
I'm out here doing my thing.
That looks like
They
shit.
tripping though. I'm out here doing my thing, but they tripping though.
Oh,
Trying to get that money. Not acting funny. I got a fart too.
wow.
Keep it all the way true with you. I got a little fart out.
Don't hesitate.
You don't hesitate no other time. Dunkin' Donut, this is not sponsored, but when he blow, we will be taking sponsorships from Dunkin' Donuts.
Exactly. We need our own drink, baby.
We need our own drink. Y'all gave Charlie her drink.
Exactly. She a TikToker, ain't she?
TikTok.
Okay.
We didn't try Charlie's drink,
She done TikToked her way into a drink.
but
So give a YouTuber a drink.
yeah, you know.
Who is Charlie?
Some TikTok girl. I don't know. I ain't never
Okay,
seen
Charlie
her.
done TikToked her way
No,
into
I
a
ain't never
drink.
seen it. I'm not a
She's
TikToker.
like, you gonna be the first YouTuber with a drink from Dunkin'.
She done TikToked her way into a
existence.
drink.
Hey, that thing look good.
Charlie done TikToked her way into a drink. Charlie, you a bad motherfucker.
Oh yeah, and GTD also has to get a tire plug. To get a little nail. Luckily, the nail is in the middle of the tire, so she could just get a plug. Yes, I'm saying. Gonna say something to the people.
One thing about it. All things Christine. One thing about it. You are gonna give the details, baby. You gonna give all the details.
I'm giving all the
baby.
details.
She's not missing
A nail in a tire. We're gonna get it plugged.
Okay.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
It's holding there good. She alright.
I ain't know nothing about it. But,
The rims
you know,
looking good though.
I ain't know nothing about it. But all things Christine, she always checking shit for me.
You know I'm spotting it.
Yep.
This guy. That sweater look good though.
That should be it. You don't need to use all of them. That'd be a waste. You might want to drill again.
Did you put it in like every other one?
Yeah. Just trying to see which one is. Well, that's good too. Man.
How many you put on that side?
Probably gonna put another one right here.
I was asking how many you put on the side. Just one.
I try to put them in like spaced even so they can be right.
Yeah.
So you don't. But some of it ain't lined
I'll
up.
keep those in the glove compartment in case you do something else. You have a few extra screws.
Some of it you don't want to go in the frame. Feel me?
You said what?
Some of it don't go all the way either. Ah, damn! This thing look good though. Man, I'm glad I was in the basement melting that plastic fucking 3 weeks in a row trying to get that shit to go right. Ikon Motorsports sent the wrong kind of directions on that too. Really good job though. jack up out of there.
I don't even got it in the video now.
Got that plumber's crack.
Plumber's crack.
Mechanic's crack. Got that mechanic's crack going on.
Man.
Ain't that how they be though? When they can't get it up, they be shaking like, damn, can you get it? Put that back how I got it. They go to my Super Sport. Man, WD-40.
Woo!
They go to the Magnum. Done with the car, as you can see, we got the front splitter on it, looking real good. As you can see, it gives the car a much more aggressive look. This came from Ikon Motorsports from eBay for $120 what?
$99.
$121. And this is what you get. It's looking excellent. It took me all of 5 minutes to do this, but I had to go to Lowe's to get the screws because it does not come with screws, so I had to go to Lowe's and get the screws. And then you just screw it in, man. You need 2 people, maybe 3 people, so they can help you hold it up so you can get it even. And then after that, you get this look right here. You know what I'm saying? You can call me and I can do it myself for you for a small fee of $129.99. T-Lite will hook you up. But if you can't get in contact with me, do it your damn self. But with that being said, man, I'm gonna leave y'all with something positive. My hair itching because I need to wash it out. But stay with negative Ned, negative Nancy. You know what they do. They do negative shit. Don't do your thing outside when the gnats is on blast. Don't do that. But always be positive. Always be a leader. Never be a follower. Don't let nobody tell you that you ain't cool. Be your goddamn self. It's going to take you far. If you be yourself, you never have to worry about putting on the act, being fake. Be yourself, baby. And with that being said, it's your boy, T-Lite. And I'm out this piece. Jig.
That you never be lonely. Be the fan, that's what they call me.